Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart in Hand Creations and Events. And today on my channel, I'm going to show you a centerpiece that I made for a customer. And you can see in the back one of the wreaths that I made, and the other one is hanging up right there. You really can't see it that well, but I did show you a video of it, I think. I don't know. I'm getting kind of lost in my timing and stuff. A lot of things going on. Found out today that my grandson has a broken arm. He fell on this part here, and it has like a 1 inch length, about a ½ inch width. Like a little chunk of his meat came out playing football with his little skinny self. He don't have the kind of bones for playing football. I told him that before when he hurt his knee. Anyhow, and he's 10 years old. So at 10, and he's already having injuries, and this is from street football. It's not even little league football or anything like that. So anyway, on that note, I am going to show you this centerpiece for my client. Ta-da! Here it is, guys. It's a mirror. I used 8 mirrors. I used 4 bundles of flowers, 2 of roses, 2 bundles of roses, 2 bundles of hydrangeas. I used gold berries. I have a couple of, what do you call those things right there? They're right there. Pine cone. These right here are, I don't know why that one come up, but you know what? You got to go. And this is what these right here. Move this over. Yeah. This is what I used. And what else did I have in it? I have some more berries in here. Let me put it down. All right, like these gold metallic, not metallic, but glitter gold berries here. I have some white berries over here. I even have a little pop of silver in there. Silver with these couple of pieces of tall grass and I put them on both ends because there's only 2. And yeah, and I just put it in, and also in here, I don't know if it'll show up on here, but I put lights in it. Let me turn off a light. I don't know if you can see the glow. Can you see the glow? Let me turn off one more light. Might be able to see the glow. Alright, you can see the glow a little bit. It looks nice when it's sitting on the table. There, we have the glow. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm working with here. And this is a centerpiece. Like I said, a dining room centerpiece for my client. And her order was the 2 wreaths and the centerpiece. This is what it looks like on the bottom. I put these little cushions here so that it's not straight flush to on the table. It sits up a little teeny bit. And yep. So yeah, guys, so whenever, you would like something to order, you can leave a description below in the comments, and you can reach me at heartinhandnj@gmail.com to place an order for centerpiece or the door wreaths here, seasonal, or whatever you want. Hey, challenge me. That's what I say. Challenge me. And I'll come up with something really special for you. Okay, guys? So, on that note, I'm going to sign off right now. I may be back tonight with another video. I'm not sure. But if in any case, I would like to say have a good evening, a good morning, a good afternoon, and subscribe, tap that bell so that you'll get to see the next upload video. Also, make a comment below. Like I said, let me know what you think about the content that I'm putting out so far, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right? Bye-bye, guys.